Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. Tonight is the 24th of February, 2022. I'm going to do another video for you guys, and this one's going to be on Facebook. I'm going to do a stock. So Facebook's been dropping, and I'm seeing a potential there for potential profit. So I'm probably going to be jumping into it tomorrow. So for those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades and I document my journey. And I think if you stay around and you watch this video, you're going to see some stuff you haven't seen before. Okay, I'm going to make things really simple for you. Okay, so continue to watch. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you're going to want to in about 5 minutes, but I'll just ask you now, please subscribe over here, hit that little red box down here in the corner. It looks like it's a YouTube logo, but it says investing on it. Just click that and then smack that bell when it pops up so that you're notified. But you'll probably subscribe here in a couple minutes anyway, because most people do once they see what I show you. But look at this house. Can you imagine that? So I'm going to make a lot of money here in the next couple of years, and I'm going to buy something like this, but I have a river going right underneath it. Okay, so let me share my screen. We'll get going here. Let me show you guys this. A lot of you guys are asking me to do videos on cryptocurrencies and stocks. So rather than being able to always do a 5-10 minute video for you guys, I do short little ones. So if you haven't followed me over here on Instagram, this is my account, Investing Points. Just go over there and click follow. I just set it up because you guys have been asking me for some kind of alternative social media platform. So if you guys ask me to do any kind of analysis or do a video on it, what I see, then I'll pop it up over here and then I'll let you guys know. Okay. Here is Facebook, Meta. Right now we're at 207, right? Earlier today with the Russia going into Ukraine, everything was red for most of the day. And then it started to kind of creep up green, but there's a lot of green popping up. Okay. A lot of things coming back. So let's take a look at Facebook here. I'm on TradingView. I like to use TradingView. It just gives me a quick analysis of crypto and stocks. There's a 30-day free trial. If you guys want to test it out, it's pretty cool. I like it. I'll probably do some tutorial videos on it here soon. But there's a video, or there's a link down below in my description. Just below the video, you'll see kind of on the left side, it says see more. If you click on that, it'll open up the description and you guys can get a copy of that. Okay, so let me kind of explain some stuff here for those of you guys that are new. For those of you guys that have been watching me for a while, you already know this. So I told you guys to stick around, and this is why. So let me share with you. Once price action drops below certain bases that I draw, it more often than not will swing back up. Okay, so if I show you guys a way in which things will swing back up 8 out of 10 times, 9 out of 10 times, well then, I mean, you can't get much better than 80-90%, right? Especially on stock market. So you all know that on stocks that probably 90% of the people out there don't make money. Okay, so let me share with you some examples. There's a base right there I drew. It cracked it, it came back up. Here's another one right here. It cracked it, it came back up. And then up above it was a short little one. We kind of level that off. It cracked that base right there and it bounced right back up. Here's another little one, cracked it, it came back up. This one, it cracked it, it came back up right there, like 2 or 3 times, just little ones, cracked it, came back up. And the reason why they're little ones is because it's Facebook. I mean, it's just been going upward, you know, same with Adobe, same with Tesla. All these stocks have just been creeping up. So these cracks are not that big. Okay, here's another one. Cracked a little bit longer, came down a couple days, and then shot right back up. Here's another base. It bounced down, came back up. Here's one. It bounced down, it came back up. Here's another one. It bounced down, it came back up. So we've seen a lot here that are bouncing up. Okay, so if you're seeing some stuff here that you're like, okay, that's kind of interesting, I hadn't seen that before, then let me know. Down below the video, a little bit to the right of center, there's a thumbs up icon. If you could just click that with your mouse or your finger on your phone, whatever you're looking at, if you could tap that, that helps me out greatly. It lets me know that you guys are finding what I'm saying so far interesting and you would like to look at it more. Plus, it also helps me with the YouTube algorithm, okay? Plus, it's free. So if you could just smack that, that helps me out. Okay, so get a pen and I'm going to let you know my thoughts, okay? And you guys can take any notes you want. Again, this is just my opinion on things. And so let's go into it. Facebook has been dropping. So since January 19th, right? Well, over here, actually more. So it's been dropping right around the early part of February. And look at it, it dropped all the way down. But there are other bases that are forming. So this is kind of what I'm seeing. You can write this down. I see a base right here. I don't think this is going to probably swing right back up to here anytime real soon. It could, but what I like to do is I like to play within a range that I feel comfortable in, okay? Yeah, Facebook continues to go up, but there's a lot of stuff going on with Facebook right now and Twitter and those companies. And so, you know, there is a potential reason why stocks are plummeting, okay? But usually what happens is when a stock drops, it'll usually swing back up and it'll usually hit that point at some point. It's just a waiting game. And then what happens is it probably will go back down again. So here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a new base forming here at 236. The price right now for the end of day was 207, okay? 207.60. So I feel very confident based upon the history of this thing breaking barriers and coming back up, that it's going to come back up to at least 236. Okay. Now, do I set my take profit up here? I could, but you know, with all the news going on with Facebook and everything and Twitter and some of these other ones, it could hit that point and then just boom, shoot right back down. So tomorrow I could jump in right at the beginning and I could hope that it swings up to 236. You know, it's not that much, but depending upon how much you're putting in, obviously, then the profit increases. But I see another base like right here. So for even a quicker one, if you can, if I was able to get in at 207, I could see a quick one right here at 224.66. That it's going to swing back up and it's going to hit that based upon the history. Okay. But if it keeps falling, I see it at least if it keeps falling, I think it'll probably bounce here. This will be some kind of support level here. Sometimes they'll break that support level a little bit and then they'll end up coming back up. Okay. So that's kind of what I'm seeing. Anyway, you guys can write down those amounts again. Right now we're at 207.60. Today's the 24th of February. I see a quick little profit here. There's one at 210, 211. There's one right here at 224. And then the next one is at roughly 236. And you don't have to be exact. But anyway, that way, that's kind of what I'm seeing. If it drops down here, and let's say I decide to jump in right around this level and it's down here, I will set my take profit anywhere up to 236. But at 236, I'm out unless I'm a long-term holder. But if I want to make a quick profit, I'm taking out at 236. I might be holding for a while, but if I jump in down here and then I sell anywhere up in kind of in the middle space here, it's good. I'm good to go. All right. So remember, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe over here and then smack the bell and check out my other videos. I have a lot of examples like this. Let me go show you my channel here real quick. Here's my channel. If you click on my my username, you'll come to this page. I have a lot of crypto here, but I'm going to start adding more stocks. But I do videos, I do analysis, I do on different coins. And then once I take profit, I do other videos like took profit, 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 took profit. So you guys can see that I'm just waiting for these to swing. I don't use stop losses anymore. I used to, and I lost money, and now I don't, and I make money. So this method doesn't really work too well with day trading on, you know, on a quick bounce, but it's more of a swing trade. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any friends that are into stocks or crypto and you think this is something that they might be interested in at least looking at, please send them a link to the video. Okay. So thanks guys for watching, and remember to follow me over on my Instagram channel, Investing Points. And that's with an S at the end. And I will see you guys in the next video. And let me know in the comments, any comments you want to say, anything you might want me to do a video on, and I'll try to do a video for you. Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good night.